Hey guys, so I received this gifted product from Biossance. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel and Instagram, you'd have known that I've always spoken about this brand. I've been using products from them for quite some time, 4 years actually, and I get to try this new product that they have launched. It's called the Sunshine Set, and what is included in lip balm, a serum, well, it's a vitamin C rose oil, and a sheer mineral sunscreen. And I am so excited to try this. So this is going to be a first impression unboxing and first impression with you guys. Biossance with Reese Witherspoon. Our products are in collaboration with Reese Witherspoon. I just love the little pouch though. How cute is this little pouch? Like, oh my god, so cute. This is gonna be so handy, so useful, especially when traveling. I'm heading on the road, and I thought this is the perfect time to do a first impression, try these products out with you guys to see how they work. So in the pouch, I am just loving this pouch. It is super cute. Is another bag. The pouch, it's pretty deep, so again, it can definitely be repurposed. And then the products come in this little cute bag. Love this too. This also can be repurposed. I am loving these. So these are the 3 items that came in the pouch, and because my lips are dry and ashy, I'm gonna start with the lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the lip balm. So it's vegan lip balm, and this nourishes and visible plumps the lips. I'm loving the consistency so far. I am loving the consistency. It's moisturizing. It's not too thick. It's not too light. It's right in the middle. And it is, whew. My lips feel amazing. And you can definitely see the enhancement that it's giving to my lips. I'm loving this, and I love anything natural. It's very moisturizing. I love the feel of this. I definitely see a different appearance in the lips once it is applied. So this I do like, and I love that it's vegan and that the products are all natural. It feels great on my lips. Woo! I will definitely be purchasing that product again. So let us jump next into the Biossance, and this has vitamin C rose oil. Excited to try this because vitamin C, my serum, so this is a oil, so it can be used as a serum. I think I did 2 pumps. So now that I rub it together, I'm only going to go in with one. I'm gonna go in with one hand to see if I'm able to get enough, because I don't want to over moisturize my skin. I like to keep it a little minimal. Now this is lightweight, very lightweight. It goes right into the skin. As you can see, it's not sitting on top of my skin. It goes right into it, and it feels so good. Like, I feel like, and I can put a little bit, the remaining on, and I like to get all the areas. I'm going outside and I'm not putting on any makeup. I'm just going out as I am. I like it's my skin feels nice. You can tell that this is going to be my daily use as of today. And what I like is that you can use that at morning times and night times. Now for this is a sheer mineral sunscreen, and this protects and moisturizes your face, and it has 30 SPF 30 in there. So let me just take this seal off. And of course, you all know sunscreen is very important. I have been trying to find a good sunscreen separate from the one that I was currently using. So I was excited when I saw that this was a sunscreen. So now I can tell y'all if this is gonna be my go-to. So let us see. I like sunscreen that is not too thick. So I'm just gonna put a dime size amount on my hand there, and let's see how this applies, and I can tell you if this is gonna be a staple. Okay. 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 Right away, I can tell you that I like that this product just seeps into the skin. I like that it's not staying on top of my skin. There's no white residue left on my skin. And be careful with the eyes as well. I always tend to go over my eyes with it, but you gotta be careful with the eyes just to make sure nothing doesn't give you a negative reaction. But so far, I am not feeling any burning sensation in my eyes. Ooh. And always go in with small amounts. That way you're not overdoing it. And that way you're not putting in too much. You're not, and that so that you're not having any white residue over your face. So this is my skin after I've applied the sunscreen. I like this. Ooh, you guys. I love the look of this. I love the way my skin looks. I love the way my skin feels. I feel like my skin is breathing. I don't feel like anything that I'm wearing is gonna clog my skin. I just wanted to go run my errands and get back home, and these are perfect. So if you're like me and you're wanting to make sure that you're able to have your skin in its natural form, you don't want to put products on your face, these will work. Alright, so if you don't want to put products on your face, these will work perfect. And for sure, I will be walking with my lip gloss, my lip balm, because for sure I'm gonna definitely be utilizing these. I absolutely love these. First impression is a 10 so far. I personally love everything, the results that I received from all products. I personally love them. I will be doing a full review on my YouTube channel, of course, as I continue to use these products over the next couple of weeks, and catch me over there for that. Go check them out, and of course, if you are interested in these products and want to purchase, I will leave a coupon code and a coupon link for you to go and check them out if you want to go ahead and purchase these. All right, I love these products from Biossance, and I love that they're all natural and vegan friendly.